You ain't got to rely on nobody to get off average but you. So if I was to ask most of you, you already know what your challenge is. You ain't dumb. You know what it is. You just don't fight it. And at what point are you going to fight against that nature in you that you know? And you have the power to be great. It's in you. You capable of it. Now, you have to understand that you stay average and you stay good, you'll never get to where you're trying to get to. And I'm challenging you to fight it. We all have 24 hours. What makes some of us average, makes some of us good, some of us great, is not the family you was born into. It had nothing to do with that. It had nothing to do with your socioeconomic status. It has everything to do with how you command your life. People act as if you grow up in a house where your parents are rich, you're automatically, bro, we can look at people who grew up in wealth. They on drugs too. They make bad decisions too. Unfortunately, they take their lives as well. It doesn't matter where you come from. If you don't activate you, the environment doesn't matter anyway. It's the mindset. And so when I look back, like I had a victim mindset. Like everything was about somebody else. All the anger and the frustration and the hurt, it was all blaming. Everything was about this person or that person or this person. Everything that's supposed to blow me up and take me to the next level is somebody else's responsibility. I never even realized I was where I was because of who I was. And I was actually getting the physical manifestations of my thoughts, of my feelings, my emotion. Like I was creating this and didn't even realize. I thought my mom created it. I thought my father created it. It's like, no, E, you created this. And I'm going to tell you, the moment I realized you are the greatest common denominator, like you the common denominator. Once that realization hit me, it was like, oh, okay, you got some confessing to do, bro. And I'm going to tell you the hardest thing that I've ever done. Somebody asked me the other day, like, what's one of the hardest things you ever done? Good morning, everybody. Well, once again, it's Friday, boys. Good freaking morning. I'm so excited to be here with you guys because we have another opportunity to print, another opportunity to get closer to our goals, another opportunity to win. And today we're going to do that. We're being patient today, boys. Today is Full Port Friday for the Legacy Wealth Society. That does not mean we're full porting. That simply means we are waiting for our setup to set up to execute. Oh, I'm saying good morning, Sean. Good morning, Amon. Good morning, Legacy. Man, oh man, I'm kind of like juiced up today because I've kind of changed my morning routine slightly, where I'm not just jumping right onto the charts, everything like that, like I was before, but now I'm actually throwing in some motivational like teachings, everything like that, just so that way I'm able to be as dialed as possible for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So if you haven't, make sure you do it as well, so that way you're able to get it. What's up, Daz? Daz tuning in all the way from Australia. He's my Australian brother. Welcome, brother. Good morning. I know it's like good evening for you or something like that. Well, good morning, Dwight. Good morning, everybody. We getting everybody in here. Hopefully you're ready because hopefully the market moves a little bit cleaner today. Good morning, Stuart. Good money day, everybody. For Sean, not trying to get in trouble. Just saying. Man, today's gonna be a good old freaking day, boys. That's all I know. Today's gonna be a good old day. 9:25. I will give you the stats for the markets, everything like that. What I'm thinking, what we may try dabbling. Like I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna wait to see how the market wants to react this morning. We're going to execute, because by doing that, we'll actually get the results. Good morning is before the markets open. If you're on the YouTube streams, on the vertical or horizontal streams, make sure you're double tapping that screen like this morning stream, so YouTube will push the stream out to more people just like yourself. Quality people that want to win in the market each and every day to secure their freedom. Oh yeah, your boy's feeling kind of dialed today.
Woke up slightly late, but we're ready. What's up, Niner? Good morning. Niner BP was talking about you last night in the chat, bro. He was saying how much you're just a freaking printer now, bro. And he ain't lying. He ain't lying. Let's see here. Yesterday, I did secure a 150K funded account, but I'm not sure if I'm going to trade that today. I may wait till Monday to start trading the 150K funded account. And then today just rotate through some evals, everything like that, possibly get them funded today as well. So I can start fresh on Monday with a couple extra accounts to trade. And we just keep it moving. Great printer he is. There's a one. We do have 10 o'clock news today. We do have 10 o'clock news today, gentlemen. So we are going to be paying attention to that because when the news comes out, the market moves slightly weird sometimes. There will be no Steve on this morning stream. No Steve on this morning stream, just unless he jumps in here. He's currently in a cabin on a massive lake. He sent me a video last night. Looks amazing. I told him enjoy everything like that because not only are the market makers printing in the markets, they're also thriving outside the charts. Because when you have discipline on the charts, the world unlocks for you. And that's what I'm hoping all you guys can achieve as well. Unlocking your world by being disciplined on these charts so you can do what you want, when you want, wherever you want. Man, I'm like ready to give you where all this. All right, there's 925. There we go. So the 21 EMA on the 2-minute Nasdaq futures chart, 30,260.25. 30,260.25. We have the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. I'm starting to say it now because some of y'all, what's the VWAP? There it is, the volume weighted average price. It's down at 204.75. 204.75. The close from yesterday, 214.25, 214.25, so below us where the current price is at. Let's look. Oh, there's a pivot right there. So we have a pivot above us. I was going to say all the way, but it's all the way up there at 387.5, 387.5 up there. A pivot below us as well, 81, 30,081. So we have two pivots. We got the 21 VWAP close by and the close from yesterday. So we're going to be patient, waiting for the market to open, to move. I'm going to keep saying it because it clicked in my mind this week. We need to wait for our setups to set up to execute. I don't know who needed to hear that, but I know I did. So it's not for you, it's for me sometimes. Just saying. Let's wait for our setups to set up so we can execute. Tonight, we do have the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between. So hopefully you come out and vibe up with us tonight. Last night's hangout was a great hangout. Everyone was vibing, everything like, even though I did show up a few minutes late, I had raced back to the house because I was doing a training for one of my companies offline, but we're ready. I'm dialed. I'm dialed. Can the market open any slower? Like, let's get this thing crack-a-lacking today. Yes, I said crack-a-lacking. Let me drink my 32 ounces of lemon water with some pink Himalayan salt in there. My trainers make me drink it. You know. Looking like a little bear flag right there. It's pre-market, so I don't want to just jump in pre-market. I never jump in pre-market. But slightly looking like a bear flag. But way too much lemon in this one. Whew. That's rough. That's rough. So for everybody on the chats, who's Are you green this week so far? Are you red this week? Or are you in between this week? Let me know. So hopefully we can make today a green day to get you into the weekend green. That's my goal. Green, but not liking how I'm trading my fundeds. Okay. How are you trading your fundeds, bro? Are you being too pushy? Are you not being patient? Okay. It's most likely just your mindset, bro. Too cautious. Yep. So it's very simple, right? However, how did you trade when you're trading your eval, sir? That's the same way you need to trade your fundeds if you want the results. But with that being said, you need to be dialed on your evals. So when you get flipped into the funded, nothing changes for you. That's the whole thing with that. Red for the week, easy. Oh, 100%, Sean. Today's a clean slate, brother. We got this. Hey, Izzy passed his account and he's up 150 in his funded. Hey, green's green, bro. Green's freaking green. Okay. Green, but I want to be more patient because yesterday I was not. Yeah, listen, Stuart, at the end of the day, we get paid to be patient. Yes, we see the markets going up and down and all around, but we truly get paid by waiting for our setup to set up and execute. Good morning, Versace. Oh, water. I need to like pound it. There's market open. Ding, 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 ding. Market's open now, boys. Today, I'm being very risk off since it's Friday. And Friday tends to be like the in-between day for me. Like, it's like more of a 50-50 day. It's like when a quarterback throws the ball up and the wide receiver and the defensive backs there. It's a 50-50 ball. You don't know who's going to get it. That's how I feel on Fridays for me some weeks. Like some weeks I'll print. Other weeks I may be red. So today being very risk off. Like Stuart, we're going to be patient this morning. Look at this opening candle. Wicks on both sides. This is why we wait, boys. This is why we wait. There's no reason just to be clicking the button right now. I know we get excited, but there's no real reason to be clicking the button. Look at that. Selling pressure trying to step in. Good morning for everyone that's just now tuning in. We are trading the Nasdaq futures in Q. We're this is all I trade. To be honest, this is what I mastered, so this is what I stick to. The bottom chart's the 2-minute chart. The bottom right chart, that's the 5-minute, and the top chart are Renko bars. For all the new folks tuning in, trying to figure out what is going on the screen. Daz, you and me both, brother. But I feel like this wants to take a little dump here, but I'm not liking the buying pressure. If we had less buying wicks, I would feel a little bit more comfortable, but we're in between right now. Tagging that 21 EMA once again. 500 on the first trade of the day. We'll gladly take that. 3 minutes in, I already made 500 bucks. Saw a little bit of momentum step in, so that's why I took it. And this thing's going to probably keep on falling. Oh, we almost touched the VWAP there. We did just tag the close from yesterday. 214.25. 214.25 was the close from yesterday. The VWAP is real close right now. Real close. Currently sitting at 210.75. Good morning, Moose. Let's see if we can build a flag right here. Because I said, like, I like waiting the first 15 minutes before I'm actually trading. But if we start getting flags with momentum, everything like that, before the first 15 minutes is completed, I will take it as long as there's the complete follow through with the momentum, everything like that. So that's kind of different than before, because I used to be like, okay, just click the freaking button. Then I went to not trading at all until 9:46. Then now I will take some trades only if there's actual momentum. If there's no momentum, we're not touching it. We're right at this VWAP. What's up, Zudin? Good morning, brother. Just lost the VWAP there. I kind of want to take another short here, but we're right here at the VWAP, so being cautious. Want to see us build a flag that we could take a play off of. A++ subs only here, folks.
Good morning.
Good morning, Moose. How you doing this morning, bro?
Good. Jumping a trade yet?
Yeah, I'm already up 500 bucks for the day.
Nice.
Did it 3 minutes into the market being open.
Nice.
Had to make sure the mouse was working, you know what I'm saying?
It worked all right?
It worked a little bit, thankfully. Thankfully. We're good for tomorrow morning?
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome.
For sure.
At least this time I won't look homeless when you come see me. That's good.
Right? It's crazy what a haircut does, right?
Definitely changes the look. I'll tell you that.
I want to take the sell. I don't know where we're going.
300 on that trade right there. Rotate once again. We're just base hitting here, folks. Not looking for $1 million on one trade. Just waiting for momentum and like some flags, all that good stuff. And this thing's still going.
Yeah.
Like the Renko bars are such a hack. That makes trading so freaking easy. You spot the momentum on the Renkos, you find a flag, and you execute. Or you could do what I just did. I just did a complete momentum play because I saw the momentum on the Renko bars and I took it. We're starting to get that buying wick there, so let's see if this pushes back up slightly. I want to stay below that VWAP. Gotta turn my fan down. It's freezing up here. Oh, my bad, folks. My bad. Thank you, BP. Good morning, sir. BP, come in clutch. I was about to just keep on clicking. I didn't know the screen was dark. My bad. My bad, folks. I clicked the wrong button. Didn't know. My bad. BP, don't be scared. Jump on the call with me this morning. Me and Moose are chilling this morning.
Yep. Everybody slept in.
Something like that. Steve won't be here. He is on a lake in a cabin right now.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
He sent me a video of it. Looks pretty cool. Very rustic.
Nice. He did. He went glamping.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. All right, right back up to tag that 214.25 that was the close from yesterday. Let's see if we reject. Build us a little flag something. It's 9:38, boy. Market's been open for 8 minutes. We have 10 o'clock news today. We're sitting back relaxing. Currently up $800 so far for the day, and we're
what just happened?
Huh?
I went to kill. I have a trackpad, and I went to kill a bug on my trackpad. I ended up in a cell. Thank God it went my way.
Jesus. I think he did that on purpose, folks. Don't let Moose fool you. He's blaming that he had kill an insect, but somehow he clicked a button. Make it make sense.
In this event.
Like, his stories don't be added up, folks. Yeah, like, I was just tying my shoe and I entered a trade somehow. What? That don't make zero sense. Like, but we believe you, Moose. We believe you.
I just made 331. I'm like, oh shit. Oh, hey, it's going down. Let's go.
That's funny. All right, so we're back above the close from yesterday. Are we going to build this little bull flag here, take us higher? We are seeing a little bit of selling pressure stepping on this current candle. Let's see what we get here.
I get a little retracement up.
Hey, let's go, Niner. Good job, bro. I'm trying to see if we're getting ready to get a little flag here above the VWAP. If we do, I'm gonna execute on it. Waiting for the clear, clean momentum to step in so we can execute.
Just had a 5, a retracement 5. We might come back down. Look at the last 5-minute candle.
Yeah, we got that massive buying wick though. That's why I'm still feeling kind of bullish right here.
Yeah, it's a little sketchy. What I like is that my 9 and my 50 crossed on the 5-minute, so that kind of like it helps me out a little bit.
Yeah,
a little bit.
We could come back down, but we're back below that VWAP. I just want to see the clean momentum.
I agree. So I started putting rectangles on my 1-minute areas where I feel it's consolidating for a little bit.
Okay.
And when I put on it, it also copies on the wrinkles area, and it helps me out. So like, oh, okay, we're still within the same little area of the 1 minute. So it helps me not jump in.
Come on, Bessie, take me to the promised land.
You're in a buy?
I am. I closed out 170 right there. We got a little bit of selling pressure right here. So I'm not trying to sit in and trade knowing that we're starting to hit some selling pressure. Even if this thing rips, I don't care. We're up for the day. You know what I'm saying? We just keep rotating. Base freaking hitting. Like, it's not rocket science. Like, trading is so freaking simple. We make it complicated. That was a bull flag on the 2-minute. Just tag the 21 EMA. We have less than 3 minutes now for the range to be fully completed as well. I'll probably hold off and wait, see what we get. That's a lemon seed.
You're
Hey, might be flat BP? What's up, bro?
what's going on? I don't know if you check for news, but it does say that Trump's talking at 3.
Yeah, but that's at 3. I'm not gonna be here at that time. So
Yeah, it's gonna be in a while. But we also do have news at 10, which is in like 17 minutes.
yep, that I did see. I saw the 10 o'clock news.
We have news at 10.
Yeah.
What else do we have? What time do we have? What else?
That's the only 2 events that we have left for today, and then just moves on to next week.
Yeah, I should have stayed in that bull flag trade, huh? Dang.
For how longs are printing right now.
No, I know. I was in the long at the beginning. Well, I started seeing a little selling wick, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna close, lock in the guaranteed profit. And she want to keep on running without me. Freaking Sally, man. Freaking Sally. The low of the range, 30,169.75, 30,169.75. I don't see us going all the way back down there, being honest with you, with how the bull stepped in. I could be wrong. But I feel like that low of today's range will hold 30,169.75.
Oh shoot, ES took Asia. That's probably why it ricocheted up.
Mm.
And NQ did not take Asia.
Well, it looks like we're getting ready to expand this range to the upside here. I'm letting this thing do its own thing. It is printing 923 for the day. Let's go, bro. Good job. Just took out yesterday's high. We have the overnight high up there as well. 30,283. 30,283 is the overnight high. I feel like we'll probably swipe that. Range will be fully completed in 15 seconds now. Hey, let's go, Versace. Versace is going to the weekend green. No better feeling than that, I'll tell you.
Heck yeah.
All right.
So your retest was like actually perfect now that I'm looking at the chart. Just because it would be the pivoting based off the candle at 936, and then you're basically getting in on that retest.
Huh?
That would have been insane.
Oh, the one that I took, the last one?
Yeah, and you were like got out real early.
Yeah. Stupid.
Well, I didn't even realize we took Asia. I had to like make my screen like super small.
Yeah.
So I could see Asia low.
We're right here at the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. Let's see if it holds the price up here, because I want to see a little bull flag. Range is fully completed. The high for the range, the high for today's range, 30,275.25, 30,275.25. The market may be listening to the stream because I'm like, oh, well, we won't go back down, retest the low of this range, and this thing's trying to come back down.
Yeah, ES is pushing down. It's in the lower half of the 15-minute orb.
Okay. Yeah, we're still above, or we're getting closer to the middle of the 15-minute range here, but I got a feeling bulls are going to push. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Show me some money. I close once again. I have zero tolerance today for risk. Not gonna lie. And of course, it does it right after I freaking close the button. Close. Green's green. I gotta remind myself, green's freaking green.
NQ's stronger for logs because it's not the one that took Asia. So
Yeah, we did just break out the 15-minute range right there as well, everybody. We did just break the range, and we just came back into the range as well. So now we could expect on the next candle to push out of the range fully, to take out that overnight high 283. Look at these buying wicks on the 5-minute candles. Those are crazy. Niner's just freaking printing like usual. Niner, one of these days, bro, we're gonna have to get you on a call so you can tell the people what you did to start printing this way. Because you're a printer, bro. I'm happy for you. I am not going to most likely trade the new 150K funded account I secured yesterday. I'm waiting until Monday to trade that one. Start the week off fresh. Because, like I said, today I'm very risk off. Just base hitting. Because it's been such a good green week for me, it's like, I'm not risking it today. No. Anytime, champ. I'm a product of the environment. Well, you worked on your psychology, bro. That's probably what's changed the most for you. Not over trading, being patient. The little things add up to becoming big things at the end of the day when it comes to trading. Are we going to come down and swipe the Miller's 15-minute range? Or right here at this 21 EMA, I feel like this may try flipping on us, possibly. Moose is real quiet. He must be in some trades or something.
Nah, I'm up 918. I'm good now.
That lagged on putting me in. I may have to get ready to kill this one.
I went to get out at 9 and some change, and it lagged.
Oh my.
Okay.
So that was nuts.
Well, that just caught me. That's why I'm risk off today. It lagged to put me in, then just did a complete rip there. Now I have to decide, do I want to clean this up? What's up, Vlad?
Stop it.
Well, just blew that eval right there. Just blew that eval. Got caught. And watch this thing just dump. Yep, news in 10 minutes. News in 10 minutes. Man, that's the first account I've blown this week. That's crazy. Oh, wow. Can't win them all. But that's my fault because I don't run stop losses, and I got caught out of some random pump of volume. So news in 6 minutes. We got news coming out in 6 minutes here, boys. Yo, I'm so ready for Mexico. I know, like, you guys are like, Duane, you just got back from Europe. Yes, we did just get back from Europe, but I love traveling. It's so freaking fun. I don't know if it's like just me going to the airport or what. Like, I love to travel. Because once you start traveling, you can't sit still, I feel.
I think I'm gonna be hands off for at least a couple minutes.
Oh yeah, I'm grabbing me some more Tradeify accounts actually right now. Since that just happened to me.
Why do you like Tradeify over Take Profit?
Honestly,
Profit split, probably.
The profit split, yes. Before, Take Profit was like the only one doing daily payouts, which was okay. You gotta trade Take Profit for daily. Well, now Tradeify has daily payouts and Lucid. So
yeah, they have daily payouts. But isn't the split more as well? The same thing as Take Profit?
You get more of the split from Tradeify and Lucid than you do TPT. Because TPT it's a 20%. And then they take 20 with Lucid, and Tradeify is 10%.
Lucid and what is it? Take Profit?
Tradeify.
Oh, Tradeify is 10%. Oh, okay,
yep.
Okay. But you gotta trade it. Don't you have to trade it like 5 days?
No.
Oh no, you have the dailies. That's right. You have the daily. But you can pass your eval in 3 days as well.
3 days to pass.
Yeah.
But you just have more options, right? That's how I feel. You have more options when you're trading with Tradeify and even Lucid. With Tradeify, you have the option of picking the daily or the flex side after you pass the account. Lucid, you have to pick up front. But with Lucid's daily payouts, right? They cap you on the 50K account at $8,000 a day. Like, hey, sign me up, right? Like, at the end of the day, that's solid. But those Tradeify and Lucid are the top 2 firms, I feel.
You think we're gonna drop?
I'm not sure.
It's honestly just chopping.
I'm not sure. I grabbed a couple more. Grabbed a couple evals, so I'm ready. I'm not trading my fundies. I told you I'm risk off today. But I'm not getting caught because I got caught in the same little area. So we're going to have to do something with some good momentum. What's up, Eddie? Good morning, sir.
What do you have? A Tradeify growth? Yeah, right?
No, I never do the gross.
You do the select.
Yeah, it's the select.
When you pass the eval for Tradeify, I forgot. Do you have to pay for it again? Like you have to
No activation.
No news
yet. Right now they're cheap. They're $100.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
I just grabbed 3 of them.
Nice.
All right, we're right at the VWAP right here. What are we going to get? What are we going to get? Middle of the 15-minute range as well. So do not diddle in the middle, boys. Do not diddle in the middle.
News in like a minute and 30.
News in a minute 30. So we got a lot. We got news in a minute 30. We got the VWAP, the close from yesterday, and the middle of the 15-minute range. So yeah, let's be patient, boys. I'm ready to work out today because it means I have 2 days of not having to work out at all. Is that bad? Get excited, work out so you don't have to work out.
No,
Oh,
it's
man.
good because you get a break. It's your rest period.
I need the break, bro. This week has been pure torture with my trainer, but it has to be done so I can get the results before Mexico. I gotta lose some weight before I go to Mexico so I could eat more food so I could gain the weight back to then re-lose it. You know what I'm saying? I don't work out for the look. I want to look really good, but I work out to keep my weight in check because I love eating when I travel. So it is what it is. All right, news is getting ready to come out. 20 seconds for the news here. I don't recommend you being in a trade when the news comes out. That's just me. But do what you want. You're in control of you clicking the button. There's the news. Daz, that's good, bro. The fact that you can sit on your hands for a whole 30 minutes, I'm proud of you, bro. That's not easy sometimes. As a trade, we like clicking the button. Order filled. What's this thing getting ready to do here?
ES just swept the highs to the left.
Watching my Renkos like a hawk right now. If we break through right here, this thing's going to pump, but it's playing a little bit.
It's kind of maybe looking like a 2-minute bear flag, possibly.
You in the trade already, Dwayne?
Yeah, I jumped in here.
What'd you take us up?
I'm in a buy. I'm expecting this thing to pump.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're trying to get back up to, I think it's 250. That's the correlated high that was taken.
We're tagging that 21 EMA, so I got out of that. I'm very risk off today. No risky it today for me. We get above that 21 EMA, which is sitting right at 238.50. We're above it now. Right, this thing wants to run, but it needs to pick up the speed for my liking.
There's 250. Let's see.
Are you still in that buy?
I'm in another buy. I closed out the other one green. Now this one's green. Lock that in. Go to the next one. That's it. Just base hitting. Not looking for $1 million on one trade. Just base hits. That's it.
Yeah, we're moving up to recorrelate.
Good morning, good morning, good morning for all the new people in here today with us. Hopefully you're printing this morning. We're trying to go into the weekend green, folks. And with that being said, tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we're talking trading, talking live. No charts tonight, just great vibes, great music, a level up as a community. So come check us out for that. In the chat below, let us know if you're green, red, or in between so we can check the temperature of the room. I know some of y'all are green, some may be slightly red or flat even. Let us know in the chat. And also, if you haven't already, click that like button and the subscribe button. The like button, so YouTube will push the stream out to more people like yourself, quality traders that want to win the markets every day, get their freedom. We're glad you're here. And we do this thing every single morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. During the NQ live with you guys. Welcome. It's all good, brother. It's all good. Landscaper. Your train view's lagging. Well, sorry to hear that, bro. That's not good. If it's lagging, you may not want to touch it, bro, to be honest.
Yeah, that's what I was having a hard time before closing and opening.
Hey, 9 or 12, 10 on the date, man. Not proud of you, bro. I feel like a proud father, you know what I'm saying? When I see you guys take payouts, when I see you guys just printing each and every day, I get excited. Like, it's the money's not even hitting my account. I get excited for y'all's accounts, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, we build this little bull flag here. I may honestly, for me personally, I may not even take any more trades for the day.
It's too choppy.
Eddie, awesome, bro. We're having our training Tuesday. It's going to be published after today's stream in the community. So just RSVP on the builders tab that you'll be there for the training, bro. We're going to be going over the full strategy from A to Z to help you level up. Like I just told Eddie, we have a training this coming Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern, where we're going over my full strategy, helping you guys win the markets on a live Zoom call with a Q&A after we break everything down. Well, this whole week, there's been couple days, like the past 2 days, it was kind of being lagging on the exits. Like when we would try exiting out of trade, it would lag a little bit. And then sometimes when you would enter, it would lag. So that's just the platforms themselves having some bugs and issues.
It's still confusing right now.
I took one trade and I got break even, and it hit me for negative 33.
That's not good. Negative 33. Oh, only 33 bucks.
Yeah, because I hit me for break even.
Oh no! In my head, I heard the 33, but I thought I heard 333. Like I don't know. I'm like, but negative $33. That's nothing, bro.
Yeah, it's definitely nothing.
Yo, I'm gonna be straight chilling today after my workout. Well, I'm not actually. I like buying new things, right? But my dryer went out. It's not heating anymore. And some of y'all yesterday said, "Oh, I need a new heating element." I bought it, bro. I looked at the video on how to replace it. I'm gonna be working, fam. Like, it's a lot. You gotta take the whole thing apart to replace this one little thing. And I was like, do I just buy a new dryer, save me some time? You know what I'm saying? Because it'll take me a solid, I'll probably say like 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's you can do it. I believe in you.
I believe in myself too, BP, but
hey, don't you want to have that MacGyver achievement, man?
No. 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 Because I was like, okay, I was going to do it yesterday, right? When the parking lot, I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna do this real quick. I started watching, Sean, the YouTube University on how to do it. I'm like, yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm not embarking on this endeavor right now. I may even wait till tomorrow to do it. So I can wake up in the morning after my haircut with Mr. Moves and do it, because man, it's gonna have me in there, not sweating, but taking a whole dry. I had to take the whole drum out, bro, of the dryer. I don't know. I may just pay someone to do it.
I mean, yeah, that's the next best way.
That's how I do everything, BP. I always pay for other people to do stuff. We're below the 21 EMA. We're below the 21 EMA. So let's see what we get. Eddie, honestly, bro, I would recommend you trading prop firms. What country or state are you in? What country or state are you in, brother? I recommend, if you're going to trade the strategies that we're talking about, trade them on props, because that's where they're perfected on the futures. We're below. Okay, you're in Cali? Cool, bro. I got fam out in Cali. But yeah, I would do prop firm. So you're not even risking your own capital. Do like Tradeify or Lucid. If you do Tradeify, use code LWS, the Legacy Wealth Society, the community. If you're using Lucid, use code VAULT, and that get you the best price over there as well. $100, fam. And that will get you a 50K SIM funded account with the prop firm. I'm thinking we may try falling back down here, but I'm not liking these big old wicks we've had today. Like, look at the 5 minute, look at all these bottom buying wicks. That does not get me excited whatsoever. I highly recommend Eddie do the Tradeify select account because their trading journal is by far the best journal in the industry right now. So it'll help you see what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong to take your trading to the next level. I only get 90 bucks on it. That's crazy. Right through the VWAP, right through the VWAP right there, folks. Next thing is the 214.25, which was the close from yesterday. And of course, we get a buying wick right here. Crazy, 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 crazy. I want to clear some of these wicks out so we could like potentially just waterfall. There's the 214.25 tag. Want to see the Renko start looking real heavy if I want to take another short. They gotta start looking heavy. Buying wick once again. Yo, Anthony is not in here today, but it's going to be crazy catching up with him in Mexico. It's going to be pretty cool, I think. Come on, give me the full flushy flush.
It definitely gave it to you.
Not really.
My chart spiked for a second.
We keep getting these buying wigs, bro. That's why I'm like super quick on the closes today, because we keep getting these little buying wigs, and I hate being the opposite direction on those. Like, right? So if I'm taking a short and then we have a buying wick, I don't like that. So I want to kill it. If I'm in a long and I see a selling wick, I don't like that. I'm gonna kill it. Lock in your profits, live to fight another day. I feel like we're going to test the low of this range.
I have one runner.
I'm in it right now.
Where's my sells? Buy stop. I'll put that at my break even. Hopefully it's all good. I'm gonna put a sell or a buy limit.
We're going to swipe the low of this range. We're going to swipe the low of this range. 30,169.75. 30,169.75 is the low of the 15-minute range. But be careful, because right at the 169.75 level, that's where the market shot up earlier. That's where the buyer stepped in aggressive to push it back up. I would just be very cautious right there. Honestly, possibly let us break out of that range before taking another short. But do as you choose.
We're coming close to the AM low as well. I should have kept holding my runner. I closed it.
Oh, I got out as well. Like, profit's profit today. I'm very risk off. Like I've been saying all day. Yeah, I keep saying it to remind myself I'm risk off because sometimes I could forget.
He's gonna go right to full port Friday.
Hey, keep practicing, bro. Niner closed his stuff up. He's done trading his accounts. He's now just practicing, perfecting his craft. I love to see that. There's one.
We just took the low from 937. We need ES to kind of follow suit and do the same. Oh, there it goes. It just did.
All right, so let's see. We build a flag here, right? Let's see. We build a flag down here at the low of this range. We did pop out of it for a few moments, and then we pop right back in. So at this point, let's see if we get this flag play here to execute off of. Because if we do, I'll probably take the execution of it, as long as we have good follow through. Trying to show a little bit of selling pressure here.
ES is still making lower lows. I think the one reason why NQ's kind of stalling out a little bit is because we came up and swiped the liquidity. I wonder if NQ's gonna carve its way all the way down to Asia, which is at like 124.
That'd be pretty crazy, but let's see if we get it. Yeah, I'm not liking how the Bulls just caught that right there. Let's see if we flush it. Just added a little bit more to this account.
1 minute ago, we just closed below the 15-minute orb.
The 15-minute orb? Okay.
It's pushing back up. We'll see. It's tapping it.
Cool. Yeah, not like right now. Like, I don't know. I'm risk averse right now. Like, I feel like we are going to continue lower, but because we have the overnight low 125, and then my target's 117 as well. There's another buying wick. I hate when we're getting these candles with all these wicks. Because it makes me hesitant, right? It makes me kind of second guess myself a little bit. Because when I see a buying wick, I'm like, oh, I'm in a short. Like, I'm not trying to get caught.
We're seeing a little bit of minor bullish manipulation on ES and NQ. As long as ES just flushes real quick and makes another low, it'll take it out real quick. And
Yeah.
There's nothing to base anything off of.
Yeah, let's see if we could get some momentum. If not, I'll probably call it on executing trades for the day. Now, that's kind of where I'm leaning towards already, is not taking any more trades.
Well, ES took out the lows and then NQ made a higher low, so then it created a secondary manipulation. So now we need to see NQ pop lower.
I'm just not feeling six, bro.
Yeah, I know, it's slowing down in this area.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, Mitch?
What up, what up?
How you doing, brother?
Pretty good. Bit of a late morning to hop onto here, but worked this morning, and I had to take a nap because your boy was exhausted. But we in, up 400 on the day, so that counts as a trading day.
Let's go.
Yeah. That was before I took my nap.
Hey, it don't matter when you did it, bro, as long as you did it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. How you guys doing?
Doing good.
Another day in paradise, bro.
Good to hear, good to hear. Might be Flat BP and Moose. Nice name.
I was not flat. I did take some shorts.
I'm just Duane. All right.
Dwayne. You're not just Duane, you are Duane.
I'm just Duane.
Oh, he's the Duane.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
I want to take a short, but
Well, right now everything's looking lined up. So I think we're still just stair climbing lower. Because we lost the bullish manipulation once we got below 149.
added a little bit more there. I'm scared today, boys.
Yeah, I just got out for a quick 195. It said 200, but it gave me 195, so.
Hey, that's not a bad slip, dude. At least it wasn't $50.
Facts. Oh, is that what happened to y'all?
That happens a lot.
Yeah, that's true.
At least, especially if you're marketing instead of using a limit.
Yeah. I just be hitting the red and blue button on here.
Right.
I got my computer set up so I just use my hotkeys, Shift S for selling, Shift B for buying, so I can get in quick moves if it's, you know, scalp territory. But
Guys, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to work.
Have a good one, brother. Have a good day, bro.
have a good one.
Guys.
Enjoy your
See you
weekend.
later. You too.
So, I did blow a Eve out today. Your boy did blow an Eve out today. But that was on one account. There's the rest of the accounts traded today. Still not bad. Still green for the day, but it is what it is. It is what it is.
Yeah, I forgot that one of the evals that I've blown a while ago, Fake Profit Traders like still trying to like charge my account for the subscription thing, whatever.
Yeah, you gotta turn that off.
Man, they charged me and I got an email like last time. I'm like, what's that? I'm like, I didn't reset an account just now. Yeah. So it turns out they reset the account and I was like, oh.
Yeah, that's why I like Tradeify and Lucid. One-time payment. Don't gotta think about subscription.
Yeah. Thankfully, it's only in the eval phase, so. Short.
I am in a short.
Yeah, short would definitely be the move.
Oof.
There's that buying pressure again.
We're real close to Asia low.
No, I know. That's why I took it. I was expecting us to swipe it.
We're looking for 124.
But not go back up at all.
I was trying to target that Asia low. Let's see if we get it here. Come on, give me my Asia low.
Go down, go down.
We're getting closer and closer, but
It's like 10 points.
Just drop. Drop. You know, when you want it to pop one direction or the other, it does the opposite, and then it just takes forever to go where you want it to go. But when you don't want it to do it, it doesn't.
pretty much.
CWB. Duane uses two minis.
Too minis.
I personally traded with like 2 to 6 micros.
I mainly trade with 1 mini, but
BP.
sometimes I feel like 2, depending on where I'm at.
Let's see if we get it. If not, I'm gonna take a haircut here. I'm not liking the dance. I'll kill that. I don't like that little push back up right there. And now that I'm out, watch this thing dump.
That's the most annoying part.
If it does, I'll re-enter quick.
I definitely think that ES must have been the stronger asset for shorts today, just because it's like so far below.
You dress my hair under the moon. Every little step
My stop loss is always different. I'm normally willing to risk $1,000 per trade.
Good thing we got out of that thing.
Mm-hmm. Cut my losses, bro. I'm like, no, I'm good. But waiting to see if the sellers do step in. If not, we'll look for a long here. All right, cleaned up. Only down 270 now on this account. I got out as soon as we broke back into the below the 15-minute range because I do not want to see us like reject off of it and go lower. So that's why I jumped out. And now we just wait. Let's see what we get here. Trying to get back into the low that 15-minute range.
Yeah, we did just tag it.
But I feel like it may try tagging it again. But this may be a flag right here. That's why I'm like real patient.
We also have a little bit of minor bearish manipulation, but the bearish would be stronger for ES, not for NQ.
Okay.
Just because at the 10:30 candle, NQ took it, ES hasn't yet. Also the 10:26 candle as well. It swept all the way up to there on NQ. ES is recorrelating that high. It's got a couple.
I'm expecting us to flush from here all the way down.
We
That's what
did
I'm waiting
hold.
for.
ES is still holding the manipulated high, but we need to see ES start flushing, and then that'll lead to NQ flushing as well.
Say less.
NQ is the only one making a new low. Okay, there we go. ES is following suit now.
We got action. We got action.
This would be like where like half of the trade would have already hit, and then a new low would be like ideally where we'd want to take a partial and try to hold further if you're trying to keep on holding.
I'm still in. All right, so got this account green 100 on that. At this point, I'll probably really say I'm done trading because I will see if we continue. I'll probably wait till we get below my yellow line down there. Because we keep getting these buying wicks. I hate when we keep getting the wicks. Yeah, we'll wait. If we get something cool, if not complaining. Because I feel like we're going to try hitting that 15-minute range again with all these buying wicks.
Starting to dig into that manipulation zone. If we make a new high, we're just going to clear it on NQ, but NQ was already going to be weaker for the shorts anyway because it was making higher highs.
Come on, Betsy. Take me to that 15-minute range.
Are you in a long, Duane?
I am.
Oh, okay. So you're trying to, like, basically clear out the manipulation.
Pretty much, but I'm very risk off, so I'm like, do I just kill this now? I'm so risk off today.
Yeah, you still have some support that is kind of like digging up towards it.
See if we get it here.
Let me at least give you where it starts. So it's from 161 to like 172. That's kind of like where this zone is.
All right, we should, looking at the 5-minute candle, we should push here, hopefully. Let's see if we get it.
Price looks like it's getting kind of tight, so it's either gonna pop or drop.
We're getting ready to pump. Longest trade of my life right now.
I feel like 168 is definitely possible just because ES has already taken it, the equivalent high. So hopefully we can take it.
I was playing.
Well, the big bullish impulse candle is actually going to be the one considered responsible for holding the market now. So as long as it doesn't close below there, then it should theoretically hold. Maybe build structure and hopefully go up. It's just chopping too, honestly.
It is. Like, we're going sideways right now. So I'm like, ugh. Of course, I'm in a trade that's going sideways. Sorry for not looking at the chat. Since I'm in this trade, I can't look at where the chat's at on my other screen here. Because when I'm in the trades, I'm monitoring the trades. The buyers are right here too.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait now. Like, we got cooked in that zone there.
I got out.
But hey, we up 619 on the day, so.
This market is just chopping.
That it is.
Chop suey.
Facts.
This is looking like it may be a bear flag, but we need that push.
Like on the 5 minute?
On the 2 minute,
29 zone.
Just want to see the momentum.
Break I'm waiting for.
And I got 10 more minutes on stream, so hopefully the market moves a little bit faster so I can clean this up real quick. Because look at the 2 minute just going sideways right there. Something's going to happen. From consolidation, the move happens, folks. We got 3 minutes left on the 5 minute candle. We're barcoding right now.
I hope everybody had a green Friday.
I'm green. I want to clean this one up though.
Oh no, totally fair. I'm just talking about chat too. I hope chat had a good Friday as well. They seem like it. What?
Music in there?
I'm tempted to take a short right now, but just because it's chopping and this is the top of the range, and like if you want to trade a range, hit it right here at the top. But no, I'm not gonna risk it.
Also below, like right below the 30-minute orb, so like if we could either bounce back into that zone or reject off of it, hopefully, and play out these shorts like we're waiting for. That'd be nice.
I should have did it.
I'm in it right now.
I should have did it. Yo, I should have done it. It would have literally hit TP already. That's crazy.
We're getting ready to flush all the way through that bottom yellow line as well.
No, it's chopping right back up. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say it.
Unbelievable BP. It be your own people, folks. We should flush through that line though.
I would like to see the market move.
So indecisive. Or the one job you could ever do. It's not really a job, but you know, one thing you could do that's the most indecisive at any given point.
Are you reading something or are you talking to us?
Oh, I'm talking to you guys.
Oh, can you say it a little louder? My bad. It was a little like low. I thought maybe you were like reading something off to the side.
Oh, yeah, no, I was just saying this is the one job you could do that's like the most indecisive at any given point.
Oh, facts.
Yeah, we're going
This market
flush
is
here,
just
boys.
as
We're going flush.
indecisive as me. finally take all the other lows to the left. Now will we make the
Just need to get down to
low?
break 129. Get that low down there.
Exactly.
So like,
And then hit.
Go ahead.
I was gonna say hit Asia at 124.
So I got remember those demand boxes I was showing you, VP?
Mm-hmm.
We nicked the bottom of one at 141. But we got another one sitting at 139, the bottom of that. So it's like there's three of them stacked right on top of each other.
I see.
Come on, give me my flush.
Yeah,
Take me to Asia.
Oh, there it goes. Took that. Now don't pull back. Don't pull back. Keep going. Keep going. Down. 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 Bro.
Boom.
Yeah, this thing's playing way too freaking much right now. Straight chop-a-locking right now.
I would have bombed to take that if I just bought that.
Longest I've ever waited for. Bro, it's crazy, bro. But when this thing truly breaks, it's going.
Man, range of pours. Welcome to Nasdaqistan.
Yeah, this is. I don't know, boys.
We have a bullish manipulation zone from a 143 to the low at like 129, basically. And that's why we've just been bouncing back and forth. And then the bearish one was that one that I said earlier from 161 to 173 or 72. It's chopping, in other words.
Those bears better get to working. I need a banker to step in and just dump some money.
Somebody check the portfolio and think that it's going to go lower, so they sell.
Facts. Markets at all-time highs. Time to sell. Full port.
W trade, Jose. Patience sometimes pays, man.
Oh, it always pays. Patience always pays.
It depends on the type of patience.
My follow through. Clean that up a little bit more, but there we go. Finally.
Oh, there it goes. Wow. 1.5 points away from Asia low.
Curious why my thing's not showing me.
We're getting ready to take it.
Yeah, we're like 3 points.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, there it is. Yep. I must have lagged because you said something before I saw it.
All right, I'm done trading this, boys. I cleaned this account back up. $85 green. I am freaking done. It's 11 o'clock as well.
Hey, let's go.
If that was freaking work, boys.
Hey, we up 789 on the day.
Never thought I'd be excited to get $85 on one of my accounts.
$85.
Hey, green's green. Green is freaking green. But now that we took Angel Low, who freaking knows? This thing's just going mad slow. Daz, bro, more power to you. 1 a.m. Daz is over in Australia. Bro, when I was over in Europe, bro, we were doing the traders hangouts every other day. I was so freaking tired. It was like 2:30 a.m., everything like that. Like it was rough. It was rough. So I understand your pain. But hey, Daz, even though you took 0 trades, listen, you didn't lose anything. Like, that's the cool thing. You didn't take any trades, but you didn't lose anything in the chop. So you won today, sir. You won today because you didn't lose nothing. I feel like we're going to flush, but I'm like, take my $85 and run.
We just, let's see, what is this?
We got
It's
the
a
New York
Thursday
PM.
PM low. On
We got the
ES.
midday low at 117
I
on
think-
Nasdaq.
$15 green. Jesus. Yeah, I'm not done on this one.
Do you try taking a short?
No, I'm done. I'm freaking done. DUNN. Done, son.
Yeah, I'm done too.
I think that spells Don.
I know. Mitch, I know what I just spelled, bro. I said it
There's a B
purposely.
somewhere.
I said it purposely, all right?
Yo, that actually reminds me, Grant. I gotta send you this meme, the text threads. I'll read this off to you guys. I'll give you one example for you guys to read, to listen to, but it's hilarious. All right.
Yeah, send it over, bro.
It's of people that can't spell when they're.
Well,
trying to
now you
text.
trying to come at me?
No.
I-
I'll read you this.
I think he's trying to come at me, boys.
You're pardon my language, but I'm reading exactly what these people said, okay? This guy says, this bitch buy polo. The guy's like, you don't like polo? He's like, nigga, what? He's like, nah. She's always changing her attitude. He's like, nigga, you mean bipolar? He's like, oh wow, look at this Harvard ass nigga.
I did just add a little bit more there. My bad. When everyone was distracted by Mitch, so I took another trade real quick.
Hey, I'll send it over to you, man. You can read through all this stuff later, but dude, it's hilarious.
Yeah, send it, bro.
Yo, BP, you got Instagram, bro?
Huh?
You got Instagram?
No, I don't use social media.
Hey, that's legit. Let's go.
Yeah, I have no
Don't
social
brain rot over here.
Well, I brain rot on YouTube, but I don't brain rot like anything else.
Yeah, I just watch car vlogs on YouTube.
Well, gentlemen, on the YouTube streams, my market makers, I'm getting out of here. It's been a day. This thing's probably going to waterfall like crazy right now, but I'm running away. I made my money that I needed to make today. It's time to go. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you don't come to the hangouts over the weekend, I'll see you on Monday. But reminder, every night of the weekend, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we're doing the Traders Hangout, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. So come hang out with us, come vibe with us. Legacy, market makers, nothing but love. I will catch y'all on the next one, family. Be blessed.
Heck, yo, I just made it 8:30 on the day. We're gonna end it there.
Dude, W.
That's a positive. Run, Mitch, run. Take your money and run, fam. That's it. All right, everybody, have a good one.